Clapp empowers teachers to produce lessons that are right for their students. They can produce HD quality videos using the Clapp Whiteboard, incorporate audio, links, documents, and content from the internet to create stimulating videos. Students, too, can create their own content using the Clapp Whiteboard. All of your work is safe and secure in the Amazon cloud. It's a learning management system built for 21st century education. Let's walk you through the extensive Clapp platform. Create HD quality lesson videos using the smart and interactive Clapp Whiteboard. You may start pause recording by clicking on the record button. Tap to add text anywhere on the screen and change its properties. You may edit this at any time in the future. Choose from a variety of shapes and format them as per requirement by changing their properties. Simply drag on the screen for use in the lesson. Google search for the perfect images or diagrams to illustrate your point and elucidate your ideas. Edit, manage, rotate, resize, clone, and pin, and adjust your images for the right fit. Use the presentation pen to draw attention to detail while delivering your presentation. You may scribble a note or underline and circle for emphasis. These scribbles are visible as long as the pen is held down. Add as many pages as you need. You may add empty page, copy images and text, copy scribbles, or copy all from current page to the new page. Use Google Maps to insert precise geographical locations in your tutorials. Provide necessary information and cover details by importing select PDF pages. Clapp provides you with the smoothest writing experience to help your scribbles look great on the virtual whiteboard. The palm rest provides a comfortable and novel writing experience. Make use of a full palette of colors, choose stroke opacity and control pencil size to explore scribble functionality to focus on important content and annotate imported material. Multiple eraser options are available to be used as per convenience. You may erase a scribble stroke with stroke eraser or use the sharp eraser to erase finer portions of scribbles, like a traditional eraser. Lessons are auto-saved every minute. Title and save your lesson when you close the lesson first time. You may append or edit it as many times as need be. Editing lesson properties is not allowed in case a copy has been backed up on the cloud. You may select and delete a lesson from your device, from cloud storage, or from both. Rename the lesson, change creator's name, category, or description here. You may append, insert, edit, or delete pages from a lesson. You may export lesson video to MP4 format. Dub lesson audio with updated information to make changes in minor areas without having to re-record in entirety. You may also choose any MP3 file and attach it to the lesson to be used alongside the lesson, or remove the audio file without hampering the video sequence. Doing so substantially reduces lesson size. You may back up your lessons in cloud storage. This provides interconnectivity by allowing you to access the lesson from other devices. Clapp proprietary video format is compact and takes up only a fraction of the size traditional videos do. there is no need to look for volume control on your device. It is enabled right on the video player. Page change marks helps you navigate the video efficiently. You may also navigate video by making page changes. Watching and revisiting tutorial videos is great for the learning process, and the video reader progresses another step in this direction. You can now systematically read through the saved lesson page by page for quick reviews on recaps on content. Select Create Class and enter class name, section, description, duration, and theme image to quickly set up a class. Invite other teachers by entering teacher's email address. Add, import, publish, or delete class materials of several types: Clapp lessons, documents, image files, audio files, video files, YouTube links, or web links. You may also import materials from your other classes. The Work in Progress filter allows you to quickly find materials that are not published yet and are in progress. Select Draft Material and click Publish to publish the material to your class. You may make an announcement in your class. Simply enter a title, description, validity date, and other relevant material, and the update will be posted on the group and duplicated in your other classes, should you need it to be. Select Add to publish or store it as a draft. You may create an assignment for your class. Enter the title, description, due date, points to be awarded, and attach relevant question material to post on the class group. Assignments may also be duplicated for other classes. Select Add to publish or store it as a draft. Each assignment shows a count of the number of submissions and pending submissions. Submissions have been categorized as reviewed and reassigned. Submissions are listed by student's name. Click to open, read description, and review attachments. Click on Review to add score or to reassign. The submission status will change accordingly with real-time updates. Invite students to a class by entering their email address. They will receive an invitation email with class code. Open the profile of an active student to see their class activity measures. Clapp calculates student performance automatically using metrics attention to announcements, timely submission of assignments, score on assignments, and participation in discussions. Select an active student and click Delete when you need to permanently remove a student from the class. Pending invites to students are listed under the Pending section. Teachers and students can both create discussions. Students may choose to select the Requires Teachers' Attention flag to get teachers' attention in certain relevant discussions. The teachers act as admin and may close or delete a discussion thread from a class. Files associated with a class are downloaded on demand from cloud storage and at any time may be deleted from their device. Teachers exercise the right to delete a class permanently from cloud storage. Assignments are displayed on the assignment overview, and discussions can be viewed from the discussions overview. The dashboard allows you to analyze class performances, accept pending invitations, and much more. Students use their teacher's license. Students logging into Clapp are allowed extensive functionality, barring a few student role-related restrictions that only teachers may use, creating classes and making announcements or assignments. Note that even students are provided the opportunity to create videos and submit for assignments or discussion. Clapp is a great platform to change the way students learn in a dynamic and engaging platform. It's for the students, of the students, and by the students. It aims to solve basic problems with organized workplaces. Students find relevant resources for projects and assignments in one standard platform. Controlled learning to study at a comfortable pace. A medium for teachers to interact with high-quality media and content. All this and much more. Let's discover education together with Clapp, Teaching and Learning Management System.